Hello, welcome to the Call Gaming channel. We're going to play Angry Birds again. We'll play Angry Birds. Yeah, I like Angry Birds. Wait, I gotta see first what I can do in this game. Okay, so we're gonna play this level, specifically 21. That's 21. I love 21. So let's play right now. Let's play. Oh yeah. Let's play. Let's play. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love this Angry Bird. This is exactly my favorite Angry Bird. I love this Angry Bird. This is my favorite. I love this Angry Bird. What can I do here? Let's make a big boom. I love big boom. Angry Bird. Angry Bird. Yeah, I love Angry Bird. It's my favorite game. Yeah. Super popular. Yeah, super popular. Let's get big boy right here. Big boy. How can we big? How can we this shit, bro? What's wrong with you? I think getting these achievements. Shut up. Oh wow, look at this big boy. This is my favorite. Stop giving me things. Okay, that will be all for the video. That will be it. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay? Okay? I want to be big popular. I want to be big popular. I want to make it to the big news.